guys, my name is Mr. Dylan and I'm from BE114C. Today I'm at Aiman Mall and I'm going to give you guys explanation about fire extinguisher. So a fire extinguisher is a portable device to put out a small fire. You can find them in almost every building, such as school, mall, university, airport, and even in our homes. They are very important because they can stop a small fire before it becomes dangerous and help save life. There are different types of fire extinguisher. For example, type A for paper and books, type B for flammable liquids, and type C is for electrical fires. Many buildings use an APC extinguisher because it works on most common fires. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to use fire extinguisher according to PASS. So P, pull the pin right here, and then A, aim the fire hose, and then S, squeeze the handle, and lastly S, swing side to side, holding where the location of the fire. Hello everyone, my name is Atman Fikri. I'm from BE114, Group C. Today I'm going to explain about fire system, which is fire sprinkling water. The fire sprinkler system is an automatic fire suppression system installed in ceilings. It's designed to detect aging from a fire and release water to extinguish the flames. Fire sprinkler system is work when a fire hits the air and the temperature rises. Fire sprinkler system is important because they can reduce fire damage and often save life by stopping a fire in its early stage. In short, fire sprinklers are simple, automatic and effective. It is because they are one of the defensive we have against fire in emergency.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Faris and I'm from BE114C and I'm from Group 1. Today I'm going to give you explanation regarding on distribution board or so-called DB. This box over here is called distribution board, also known as DB or fuse board. It's the panel that controls and distributes electricity within a specific area or unit inside the mall. Inside the DB are circuit breakers that manage different circuits such as lighting, hot plug point, and equipment. If there's an overload or short circuit, the breaker will automatically trip to cut off the power. This helps prevent electrical fire and protect the electrical appliances connected to the circuit. Even though it looks simple, the distribution board plays an important role in keeping the electrical system safe and running smoothly. That's all.
The mall's air conditioning system gets its power from the main switchboard, which sends electricity to panels that supply the chillers, AHUs, and FCUs. AHU means air handling unit, which cools down large common areas, while FCU means fan cool unit, which cools smaller rooms or shop. Each unit is protected by circuit breakers to keep the system running safely and smoothly.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rifki Aziz. I'm from BE114C Group 1. Today I'm going to talk about fire hose reel. Here, as you can see, a fire hose reel, which is an important firefighting equipment commonly found in buildings like supermarkets, office, and malls. For example, I'm at H&L Supermarkets in Aiman Mall. Its main function is to provide a steady and continuous flow of water to help control small or medium-sized fires during an emergency. The hose is stored inside a red cabinet to keep it protected and easy to access. When a fire occurs, the fire hose reel allows anyone nearby to respond quickly before the fire spreads. It is designed for first aid firefighting, meaning it should be used at at the early stage of a fire. This is a fire alarm brake glass. Its function is to manually activate the building's fire alarm system to alert everyone of a fire emergency. Just simply press firmly on the center of the panel to trigger the alarm. Thank you. Good afternoon. Promoting sustainable and effectiveness is not just technical. It is a fundamental ethical obligation for two reasons. First, we must uphold the principle of intergenerational equity since buildings often operate for over 50 years. Installing inefficient, high-emission systems today effectively locks future generations into a cycle of pollution and resource scarcity. It is our moral obligation to act as stewards of resource now, ensuring we do not compromise the ability of the future population to meet their own needs.
Second, we exercise a professional duty of care regarding occupant health. M&E system deflate the quality of the indoor environment, and unethical cost cutting can introduce hazardous material or poor ventilation. We must strictly enforce health-centric design to prevent issues like sick building syndrome, ensuring that our cost decisions never come at the expenses of the physical safety and well-being of the building occupants.
As a community surveyor, my role is to ensure that sustainability is not just a concept, but also a key element of the building through the adoption of green technology in mechanical and electrical systems. I focus on two key implementations. First, I prioritize energy efficient technologies. I do advise clients to replace standard features with green alternatives that consume less power. A simple example is specifying LED lighting instead of traditional bulb, or using smart motion sensors that turn off electricity when no one is in the room. My job is to budget for these technologies to drastically reduce energy consumption.
Second, I integrate renewable energy system. I use formula installation of technology that generates its own power. The prime example is budgeting for solar panel on the roof. I analyze the cost to ensure that we can include this green technology within the construction budget, following the writing to power system cleanly without function. Furthermore, I calculate basically how long it takes for the energy saving to impact the initial cost. The financial proof promises the client that green technology is a profitable investment, not just expense.